Hey, Clayton here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a product to your Shopify store. Now, just quickly before we get into that, if you haven't started a Shopify store yet, there's a link to sign up to Shopify below. If you use any of my affiliate links, I'll actually send you a video review of your website going over some tips and suggestions to improve conversions once you've set it all up. My way of saying thank you. So let's actually get into it. So when you're in the back end of Shopify, you just want to click here where it says products, and then it should automatically default to all products. And then you want to click add product. If you've already added products, it'll be up here in the top right. So we're going to click add product. In this example, I'm actually going to do a dress because I think just for variance wise and stuff like that. So if you're making sizes and colors and stuff, it's just easier to do some sort of shirt, dress, something like that. So this example is going to be like that. So basically, you just want to put your title, so the heading of the product. I'm just going to go over to the other screen and grab what I've already done and paste it in here. So mini dress, we're going to do like a mini dress. Then we're going to do description. Now, there's a few different ways to do a description. It really depends on like if you're just going to run Facebook ads to your product page, or you're going to like have an organic brand sort of thing. There's so many different ways to do a product description. I'm just going to do a basic one. I've got one over here from another product, and I'm going to paste it in here. So basically, I just found this on a website. I'm going to reword it a little bit. Now, basically, when you copy and paste into here, it's really important that you change the coding if you have a copy and paste in here, because basically, if you don't do that, it's just going to display the font that you've copied over. So you want all the font on your website to be the same. So this little button up here, show HTML, you click there. You just want it to say, see how it's got this bracket here? You just want it to say P. So we're just going to like go here, not trying to overcomplicate it too much. So you just want to have P and the bracket closed like that. And you just want to change that on every section sort of thing. See how the font sort of changed there? Really important to do that. Otherwise the font's going to look really weird. But if you just type it in here, that should be fine. If you build out a product description and then copy it once it's live and then paste it in, it should be fine as well. Basically, what I like to do on a basic product description is just have one or two sentences, maybe have a heading, some bullet points, things like that. Basically, I'm just going to change a little bit here. So I might just move this sentence down to the bottom. So we're going to cut this down here. And then maybe we're going to write features here, and then maybe make it a heading. So if you actually copy this, like highlight this and go up to formatting and press heading 3, it's going to make it a little bit bigger. Sometimes Shopify messes up and does this. What you just got to do is highlight this, heading 3, maybe put a space here, and then just go, it's a little bit annoying, and then just maybe do this. So highlight this. Oh, sorry. If we highlight this, this is going to work now. Sorry, my bad. So we made it smaller here, and then press save, and then we're going to fix it up in a minute. It's just annoying sometimes. Sometimes this happens. It's probably better that we do like a little troubleshoot here. So see how we've moved that space now. What we're going to do here is size and fit information. I'm going to make that bold as well. Heading, number 3. See how it's done the same thing again. So we're just going to fix this up again. Maybe put a space here and then just bang. Really annoying, but I don't see many tutorials where people show you how to actually fix this. So it's probably a good idea that we do this little bit of troubleshooting for the headings and stuff like that. I really like bullet points. So if we just delete all this, we can make some bullet points here. Oops. I think it just looks better if you have bull points. So we're going to click this little bull point there. And the font has been messed up again on this one. So what we're going to do, if this ever happens, see how it says cut for loose fit there. We just go over to the HTML. We can do this as well, like Control F and then search the word. See what it's done here. See this bracket here. You just want it to go to there and then delete that. See if we go back here, see how that's normal text. We can just do that for all of them as well. Just a couple of little annoying things like about Shopify, like overall, like it's an awesome platform. Just sometimes when you add products or stuff into a page and stuff like that, it messes up sometimes. So you just have to fix it. Like this could be really frustrating for some people, I guess, if this happened to them. But most of the time, I always write in myself the first one, and then down here we could just highlight this, make it bold. That looks much neater than what it was before, I think. Now down here you go to add file, so that we're going to add all the images of the product. So I've got the address here. We can do this and then open. It's going to add all the products here, all the images and stuff like that. While it's loading, I might just go down. I may as well just stay here. So basically this image here is going to be the first one someone sees on your website. I normally like to put the best one as the first image. The other thing as well, sometimes I just do this and make the order of all the best ones first. The other thing as well with Shopify, you probably want to have a really nice first image because, you know, first impressions matter. I guess on any website, really, you really want to give first impressions is super important. So you want to do that. Then if we go down to pricing, we can change the pricing here. So let's just say this is $39.95. This compare at price is if you want to have a sale. So if this is not on sale, you just want to have $39.95 and it's just going to display as $39.95. Now, if you want to have a sale, you can put over here $49.95 and then the price now is $39.95. So basically this is going to slash that price out and then display $39.95. I might just save this and just show you quickly what it looks like. So if we go preview here, I haven't fixed up this site at all either. So I haven't, this is like straight from the box, the Beautify free theme. So see how it has slashed out and then $39.95 here. And then that's our product description as well. So if we go down here, we can put cost per product, item in here as well. So say maybe this costs you like $10, you can put that in there. Charge tax. So if you want to charge tax, you leave this selected. If not, you unselect it. And then we go down here to inventory. We can put the SKU in here, the barcode here if we wanted. Track quantity, continue selling when out of stock if you want to do that. Basically, if you have track quantity, you're going to have to put how many you actually have here. So let's say, just say 10. This is a physical product. So if you actually want it to go like through a shipping method, you have to have this as a physical product. You can put the weight in here as well. Really, if you have like a shipping app that calculates the shipping for you, really important the weight's all done in here. So that's really important. You can put country of origin here, HS codes and stuff. HS codes are really for batteries and stuff like that, like dangerous goods and stuff. And then if we just save this now, we would have a product. Basically, we probably want to add variants as well. So basically, like if you ever see on a website where it says select the size, select the color, things like that, that's what a variant is. So here, if the product has a variant, we're just going to select there and then see how it says option size. We can have whatever we want: size, color, material, style, title, you know, things like that. We might just put size in for now. Now we're going to put all the sizes here. So let's just say we have a small, so we're going to write S and then hyphen, medium, hyphen, large, hyphen. So basically it's making a product for each of those sizes. You can write whatever you want here. and then see how it's got multiple products here now for the sizes. We can also put the color in. So see how it says color, black, hyphen, navy, hyphen. They're the two colors we have. So basically now it's got, see how it says small/black. So this is a quantity for the small one that's black, small one that's navy, medium that's black, so forth, sort of thing. You can change all these prices too as well. We might just put 10 quantity for everything. And then if we save now, it's going to give us an option to actually make an image for the product. So let's just, I'll show you what I mean now. So basically, if someone selects the small black, we can have like the image we want them to see. So if we click the image here, we can just click the black one there. So if someone clicks small black, this image is actually going to show up. And then if we just go through and do them all for these products, and then it shouldn't be too long, we're nearly there. Sort of get the drift. You can have whatever image you want, but basically when someone selects this is what the image is going to look like. So if we save this and then just do a quick preview, I'll actually show you what that looks like. So if we go down here, see how it's got the variants and stuff here, size, color. If we click medium, or large, and then say navy, see how it changed to navy. And then we've got all the images down here as well. Probably should have built out this store a little bit better to look better. You can actually have color swatches on your website as well. If you want me to show you how to do color swatches and stuff like that, just let me know in the comments. I'll do a video about that. Really depends on the theme as well. I think in the fashion niche, you should really have color swatches unless you have like 20 different colors sort of thing. It'll be too much sort of thing. So if we go back here, now we're going to go down the right side. So basically, if we want this to go live, product status, we're going to put active. And this is to manage all your sales channels. So if you have Facebook, Google, stuff like that, you can select them there as well. You can schedule what time you want the product to come out as well. So say you've got a new range of products that you're going to release at midnight or something like that. You can actually put the time and the date there as well. So organization, you can put a product type. So like dress, we could put add. Vendor, you could put your name, your like company name there as well. Sometimes with the vendor and the product type, especially vendor, because you can actually display the vendor below the product title on a lot of themes. Sometimes if there's some sort of little information that you need to know, I normally put that in there. I would say 99% of websites you wouldn't need to do that. All this information is going to help to be able to put the products onto the product pages, the collection pages. So if you have a page with like 20 different products and stuff like that, you can actually set them up to pull products that have the product type, say dress, or vendor, say whatever, sort of like that. Now, collections, you can actually, if you have manual collections, you can actually type them in here and add it. So it automatically will add to that product if you do it manually. In my next video, I'm actually going to show you how to do collection pages. If I've done that already, there should be a little link above me, and there'll be a link in the description as well. You can check that out. Then the tags down here. So basically, works the same way. So if we wanted this to go into the dress collection, we'd put dress here, hyphen. We'd just put all the different tags here. You probably don't want to have too many tags, but that's really if you build out an automatic collection page, you need these tags and stuff like that to help the automation actually pull this into the collection. But like I said, I'll do that soon. So if we actually press save now, we pretty much have built out the product. Now on most themes, all the little adjustments and stuff here to make this look better will actually be in the theme template. So if we actually go back here, click online store, it really depends what theme you have as well. I'm using Beautify. It's a free theme. I'll leave a link below as well. We just press customize on whatever theme that you're using. And like I said, I haven't built out this one yet, so it's a bit all over the shop. So if we click up here and then go to products, it's going to take you to the product page, and then we can actually adjust all this stuff. So for example, when you're in the product on the customizer, over here, most themes have product page. You want to click there. And I might just move my head over a little bit. It has all the settings that you can actually use to customize the product. So image display, so like see how it displays here, thumbnails or stacked. See how it just stacked them all. I'd rarely ever use stacked, to be honest, on nearly anything. Limit the image, you can move it to wherever. See how it says show vendor. Most themes have that. So see how it shows the vendor there. So that's what I meant. Like if there's a quick little like couple of words you want to have above this, you can sort of add it with the vendor. Most websites you don't. Big product title, we can make this smaller, stuff like that. Show quantity selector. A lot of the theme templates have this variant picker type drop down or button. So if we click button, see how it's got buttons now. So you can just like select which one you want. If you have lots and lots of variants, I probably wouldn't have buttons. If you don't have many, I'd probably have buttons. So it's really up to you. If you have a theme template that enables color swatches, it would be somewhere in here where you can actually enable the color swatches, things like that. But basically, you just come to this page and you check out what your theme can do. Some themes, if you click theme settings, it'll have something about the products and stuff like that. So for example, above title. So a lot of themes actually do that as well, or not a lot, probably some, where it'll just change the format of the page. A lot of theme templates, you can change the format of the page. So it's really up to you. I think that's about it. With the Beautify, see how it has this breadcrumbs here. You can actually turn that off as well. Most people should probably turn that off. And then up here where it says save, you just want to press save. Now, if we actually go back to the product, I'm going to show you about the SEO. So we're going to go back into the product. So we click products, just click into the product here. Now, if we scroll all the way to the bottom, see how it says search engine listing preview. So basically, this is what people are going to see on Google. So it's going to have the name, the link, and then basically, if you don't add anything into this SEO, it's going to pull the product description into the SEO. So if we just click edit website SEO, I'm not going to go into too much detail about the SEO because honestly, probably 80% of people that are watching this video probably don't need to know about SEO. Their products probably can't rank on Google. It would be very hard. But if you wanted to fix this up, you could hire someone that's really good with SEO and stuff like that. But if you just wanted to make this look a little bit better, we might just go where it says features. So we could just delete to there. See how it looks much neater. Basically, you probably want to have a lot of keywords in here, excuse me, and stuff like that to really help rank on Google. But at the end of the day, you really want the link to actually look nice, this whole thing here. Same with the product title, you could add here as well. So we could be like Clayton's, we could even put our company name here, Clayton's awesome dresses, dress shop, something like that. I don't know. I probably would never have a dress shop myself. I really believe like if you're really passionate about something, that's what most people should do. Like probably 90% of people should be passionate about what they do in business. 10% of people can make it work, but I found if you're really passionate about it, you can really make it work. Now, if we click save here and then press preview, we've now finished adding our product. So this is what our product looks like. Obviously, there's other stuff on the page and stuff like that you can fix later. I'm going to be doing more tutorials, like showing you how to do stuff. I'm really curious on what theme templates you use, because basically what I'm doing at the moment is trying to make a lot of how-to videos on the theme templates that my clients use. So if you let me know the theme templates you use, I can actually probably make some tutorials on those as well. Hopefully you like this. Like I said, I'm doing a collections video, so check that out. Subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. Basically, I'm mostly doing this because in 2015, a lot of people on YouTube helped me, and I want to pay it forward, and I want to help my clients make it easier for them as well. So if you like it, hit like, leave a comment. Be awesome. Talk to you later. Bye.